Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Super Memory for Schools programme. My name is Nguyen Chung Hieo. I'm a teacher from Dang Chang Kon Primary School, District 4, Ho Chi Minh City. Today we are going to learn about sounds and letters. Okay, look at the mind map and see what we are going to learn. Our topic is in the park, sounds and letters, Y and Z. Look and think. Look at these pictures. Which letters will go with these pictures? Yes, they're Y and Z. Now, let's go on. At first, look and say. Y, Y. Look at the letter again and see how we write it. Uppercase of Y and lowercase of Y. Look at some words containing Y. Y, Y. Yogurt, Y, Y. Yogurt, Y, Y. Yogurt. Y, Y. Yo-yo, Y, Y. Yo-yo, Y, Y. Yo-yo. Y, Y. Yummy, Y, Y. Yummy, Y, Y. Yummy. Okay, and now we move to the next letter. Look and say. Look and see how to write this letter. Uppercase of Z. And lowercase of Z. Z, Z. Zebra, Z, Z. Zebra. Z, Z. Zebu, Z, Z. Zebu, Z, Z. Zebu. Z, z, zoo. Z, z, zoo. Z, z, zoo.